Hi friends, it's Abby from OP, and this is the craft challenge of the week. This week's challenge item is a pipe cleaner. I bent mine. That's okay, you can unbend them. I love pipe cleaners. I think they're super useful, and they're always helpful if you're just trying to do any kind of craft. If you need something bendy or for support or whatever, I love pipe cleaners. And what I made out of my pipe cleaner, my challenge item, was a tiny little mermaid person. I named her Linda. I love her and I'm probably gonna keep her forever. It was really cool. I'm excited to show you how I made it, so keep watching. For these little mermaid people, I of course used a pipe cleaner challenge item, can't forget that. And I am also going to use two different colors of yarn. If you have string, you can also use string. If you don't have yarn or string, if you have like an old t-shirt that it's okay to cut up, you can cut it into long strips so it becomes something you can wrap or tie with, which is what we're going to use this for. So we'll put that there. And you're going to need like a handful of just beads that you like. You're not going to end up using all of these. I just like to have variety, so I grabbed a couple. Put those over there, and I almost forgot one thing. You're gonna need scissors. Scissors are your best friend if you like to craft, so always make sure you have a pair of those around. But once you have all your supplies gotten together, then we can jump into making the craft. So you just saw me make a tiny little mermaid person out of a pipe cleaner. I hope it was helpful. I hope it inspired you to maybe try and see what you can do with a pipe cleaner. Some challenges that I had while making Linda was, the first one was the yarn I used. It was really poofy and it kind of made it hard to wrap and tie with because the yarn kept on unraveling and little pieces and fuzzies were coming off everywhere. It wasn't great. So if you have like thick yarn, just be aware of that. The other thing is I had a hard time just making sure that like her proportions were how I want them to be. So making sure that I had enough pipe cleaner left for the arms and the tail and the hair loop and all that stuff. I might have cheated a little bit. I've made these before. So I at least had an idea going in of kind of what to expect when making the arms and tail and things. But when you make yours, the great thing about pipe cleaners, like I said, is you can unbend them. It's really, you know, they're a great craft because you can go back and you can correct any mistakes that you feel like you might have made. And also, if one of your mermaid's arms is longer than the other, that's okay. All bodies are good bodies, and all arms are good arms. So I think if I had to give you one helpful tip for making these little mermaids is I really like using a wooden bead as her head because I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go find a Sharpie and I'm going to draw a little face on her. And because it's a wooden bead, I think that Sharpie's going to stay on there pretty good. So it's not going to rub off or anything. But that's what I have for, you know, helpful tips and challenges. On my rating scale for craft items, I would definitely put pipe cleaners at 10 out of 10. I would definitely craft with pipe cleaners again. I love them. But you know, that's what we got. Thank you so much to everybody who sent in suggestions. Please send in more. We can never have too many. You can find us on, you know, all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We might have a Twitter. You can email us, you know, whatever works for you. But we release these videos every Friday, so keep your eyes peeled. Send in your craft item suggestions and stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.